Hyundai Creta or Kia Sonet po. AJ, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, sagutin natin. So, battle of two Korean siblings, no? When you say Korean cars kasi, yung branding niyan is premium, luxurious, kumbaga a taste of luxury at an affordable price. Well, technically, si Creta po kasi is yung ka-same niya na category is sila Yaris Cross, sila Ford Territory in my opinion, but because meron nga si Hyundai Tucson for those competition, no? So you can consider that Creta could be a competitor as well with a lower, the smaller subcompact category like Sonet, Raze, ganon. Especially when you consider the lower variants, you get a much affordable price for the Hyundai Creta. If you really are considering both the Kia Sonet and Hyundai Creta, let's talk about yung mga top of the line na nila, no? Because pagka hindi natin consider yung top of the line ni Creta, di medyo mas lamang na talaga yung top of the line ni Top of the line Kia Sonet is around 1.1 million, close to 1.2, and then top of the line Hyundai Creta is nasa mga 1.3 million. So medyo malaking difference talaga, no, when it comes to price. So if you're gonna go for a Hyundai Creta pero gusto mong makatipid sa budget, mga 1.2 million lang yung gusto mo na budget for Hyundai Creta, then the mid or the lower variant ni Creta is wala siyang advanced driving system, while kay Kia Sonet at that price, marami ka ng features with the advanced driving system pa. So when it comes to the looks, sporty si Kia Sonet, but may halong pagka-VIP pa rin. On the other hand, sobrang gusto ko yung pagka-premium or pagka-executive style nung look ni Hyundai Creta. Lalong-lalo na yung silver and then black top combination. Napakaganda nun. Sa interior naman, both executive feeling din. Premium, luxurious din, both mga interiors nila. Nagkakatalo na talaga if gusto mo yung design. Para sa akin, lighter brown yung kay Sonet, then darker brown yung kay Creta. Medyo mas relaxing yung interior ni Sonet para sa akin. Di naman sila nagkakalayo sa mga features, guys, but major lamang ni Sonet if it is your thing, yung sunroof. Si Sonet meron ng top of the line, meron siyang sunroof. Si Hyundai Creta kahit top of the line niya, walang sunroof. So both of these cars are really interesting when it comes to gaano sila ka-close or yung comparison nilang dalawa. So for more information about both of these cars, we have made a YouTube review dun sa playlist natin. Check out nyo na lang. Sana nakatulong, follow for more.